Imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just assist us, it anticipates our every need, revolutionizes our daily lives, and propels humanity into uncharted territories of innovation and discovery. This isn't merely a technological upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with the world around us, creating possibilities we've only dreamed of until now. By the year 2030, this isn't science fiction from a distant future. It's rapidly becoming our tangible reality. We are on the cusp of an era where AI seamlessly integrates into the fabric of society, transforming industries, enhancing human capabilities, and redefining what's possible. Welcome to the future of AI, a future that is closer than you think. Hello, I'm your host, and today on Nextmind AI, we're diving deep into the most compelling expert predictions for artificial intelligence by 2030. We'll explore how leading minds in the field envision AI's evolution and its profound impact on our world in the coming years. Join us as we uncover the insights that will shape our technological landscape. From groundbreaking machine learning breakthroughs that enable systems to learn and adapt with unprecedented speed, to the awe-inspiring wonders of generative AI that can create entirely new content, the evolution of artificial intelligence is accelerating at a pace faster than ever before. This rapid advancement is not just incremental, it's exponential, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was achievable. Experts from pioneering organizations like OpenAI and numerous other leading research institutions predict that by 2030, AI will achieve near-human intelligence in a multitude of specific, complex domains. This means AI systems will be able to perform tasks and solve problems with a level of cognitive ability that closely mirrors human intellect, particularly in specialized areas. Machine learning, the driving force behind much of AI's progress, will enable automation at scales we can barely imagine today. This will extend beyond simple repetitive tasks, encompassing complex processes across various industries, leading to unprecedented efficiencies and transforming how work is done globally. The sheer volume and sophistication of automated operations will be truly revolutionary. Generative AI, a cutting-edge branch of artificial intelligence, will create hyper-realistic content that is virtually indistinguishable from reality. This includes everything from incredibly lifelike videos and immersive virtual worlds to sophisticated artistic creations, driving unprecedented innovation across creative industries and beyond. The possibilities for content generation will be limitless and profoundly impactful. Imagine adaptive algorithms that learn and evolve in real time, constantly refining their understanding and capabilities based on new data and interactions. These intelligent systems will become an integral and indispensable part of our daily decision-making processes, offering insights and solutions that enhance our lives in countless ways, from personal recommendations to complex operational strategies. In the critical field of healthcare, AI is poised to revolutionize patient care by personalizing treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup and health profile. Furthermore, AI will possess the remarkable ability to predict diseases long before any physical symptoms even begin to manifest, enabling proactive interventions and significantly improving health outcomes for millions worldwide. Education will undergo a profound transformation with the widespread adoption of adaptive learning platforms, meticulously tailored to meet the individual needs and learning styles of each student. These AI-powered systems will provide personalized curricula, real-time feedback, and dynamic content, ensuring that every learner receives an optimized educational experience, fostering deeper understanding and engagement. Businesses across all sectors will extensively leverage advanced automation powered by AI to achieve unparalleled levels of efficiency and productivity. By automating routine and complex operational tasks, AI will free human employees from mundane work, allowing them to dedicate their valuable time and creative energy to more strategic, innovative, and fulfilling pursuits, driving economic growth and human potential. And in the realm of creativity, generative AI will not replace human imagination, but rather amplify it, acting as a powerful co-creator. Artists, designers, musicians, and writers will collaborate with AI tools to produce masterpieces that seamlessly blend technological innovation with human artistic vision, pushing the boundaries of what is considered art and design. This synergy will unlock new forms of expression and creativity. However, with such immense power and transformative potential comes an equally great responsibility. Significant ethical challenges loom large on the horizon. AI biases, often embedded in training data, could inadvertently perpetuate and even amplify existing societal inequalities. Furthermore, the widespread adoption of job automation might displace large segments of the workforce, necessitating new strategies for economic transition. The erosion of personal privacy, as AI systems collect and process vast amounts of data, demands robust and proactive safeguards to protect individual rights and freedoms. It is absolutely imperative that we prioritize ethical considerations and responsible development in every stage of AI's evolution. By embedding strong ethical frameworks and guidelines into AI design and deployment, we can ensure that this powerful technology serves humanity's best interests, fostering innovation that genuinely benefits all members of society, rather than exacerbating existing disparities or creating new ones. Picture the world in 2030, a future where AI doesn't just exist alongside us, but actively enhances human potential, fostering a dynamic and productive collaboration between man and machine. This synergy will unlock new levels of achievement and understanding, allowing us to tackle complex global challenges with unprecedented effectiveness and creativity. It's a vision of partnership, not replacement. Imagine cities that are not only smarter and more efficient, but also greener and more sustainable, optimized by AI for resource management and environmental protection. Lives will be more connected through intelligent networks, yet individual privacy will be meticulously safeguarded through advanced AI-driven protocols. This era will see innovation sparking profound emotional breakthroughs as AI helps us understand ourselves and our world in deeper, more meaningful ways. This is a truly visionary future, one that is firmly grounded in scientific advancements and rigorous research, where artificial intelligence evolves not as a competitor, but as our most powerful and reliable ally. It's a future where AI empowers us to achieve collective goals, solve complex problems, and build a more prosperous and equitable world for everyone. This partnership will redefine progress. The future of AI by 2030 is undeniably bright, holding immense promise for humanity's progress and well-being. However, realizing this potential fully requires our careful consideration, thoughtful guidance, and proactive engagement in its development. So, what do you think about this impending transformation? Are you filled with excitement for the possibilities, or do you approach it with a healthy sense of caution regarding the challenges ahead? To stay informed and gain deeper insights into the rapidly evolving future of artificial intelligence, make sure to subscribe to Nextmind AI. Hit that subscribe button now to join our growing community. And don't forget to share your thoughts and predictions in the comments section below. We value your perspective and look forward to engaging in this crucial conversation with you.